So I just wanted to do a wee quick video on this taking out and changing the tyre wheel on the NV200. This is a 2014, and you can see how much I've not changed it since I've got it, so you can see how much rust build-ups got onto the tyre, and that'll cause and also the muck that's in here. Took all its stones out, but so I'm going to clean this wire, brush it out, give it a clean, paint it up. You can see on that side how bad it is, how bad the corrosion is over the balancer. What I could probably do with getting changed as well, but I'm just going to leave that just now. I might get them to check it when I take the wheel in that I'm doing. Anyway, this all needs cleaned out as well. But the main thing is I wanted to show you was this, which is this hooks on, goes through here like that, that goes on the bottom, and then it hooks onto the bottom there, it hooks onto the wheel holder. You can see that's a flat tyre that I'm changing over there. So what I want to do is lift this and it was so tight it was nearly shearing, and you can imagine if you were doing this by a roadside and you didn't have all you had was your 4-star, so I would have never been able to do it with this or the other one that's in the car unless I had a big extension bar. So you know, it's really worth checking those things, make sure they're well greased up. You know, you can see the threads on that, how rusty they were beforehand, see them there, and how hot this was when I took it off, so it was basically nearly shearing.